So I have here, I actually have my original AirPods charging, the one that came with from Apple, which are these ones. And you can see it because on the back here, it shows you right there that they're from Apple. It's designed for Apple in California, it says that. So these are the original ones. These are the ones that were sent to me to review. And these are literally identical, except for the print on the back. And I will show you a comparison both side by side. Everything is exactly the same. The dimensions, let me go to the other side. The dimensions, everything is identical. Even the little indentation that you see right here, and you see it right in there for opening and closing. Here's the bottom, all of the ports, everything is identical. I actually ran out of battery on these ones, and these have not been charging well at all. Got these, switched it to these, and these are the ones that I've been using. And instantly, my earbuds were dead. It charged up, no issues, no problems, and this has been working great.